Now, this company, Kodiak AI, this is the real deal, okay? Because they've already deployed, I mean, they just went public in 2025, right? But they've already got trucks on the dirt, and I'll explain that in a second.
On the
They've already
dirt.
on the dirt. They've got
Okay.
trucks, autonomous trucks on the dirt, and you'll see that in the video I think that we're going to play. And so going from off highway is what it's called, off highway to on highway, there has to be a safety person inside. They're not driving the truck. They're sitting in the passenger seat. They're riding shotgun. And it's got to be a certain amount of miles and time just for safety. Kodiak has over 5,200 hours of operations of the off vehicles, 3 million miles driven combined with the testing and the off highway. And they just partnered with Bosch. Bosch is probably the largest automobile product manufacturer in the world. And it was just announced at CES by the CEO of Kodiak, Dan Burnett, that this partnership, it was an issue about scalability, not demand. You got to understand that. That's a big point about this. It's about scalability, not demand. Demand is there. They're already talking to every one of the largest trucking companies in the US and internationally. They all want it now. So you want it now. It's going to be approved. Whatever. We're almost done with the shotgun personal driver evaluating it. This goes highway ready this year in a matter of
Wow.
months. In a matter of months. So, but there's scalability now because everybody wants this. Every trucking company, transport company wants this. And so they just partnered with Bosch to assist in the scalability of the manufacturing to actually get this going when it's highway approved. They're already working with Bosch right now to get all the components made and manufactured.
And we're talking about an end-to-end solution.
Yeah,
So from, for example, you know, a manufacturing facility in Chicago that would be shipping parts down to, somebody in Cincinnati, and that's going to be driverless the whole entire way. There's not
yes.
some interim thing. It's the end-to-end solution.
There's not going to be a person inside the truck
Wow,
from
impressive.
end to end and back. And these trucks run 24/7 all day.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And you don't have to pay in vacation, benefits,
Well, no, I
what
mean
have you.
there's still room for people here, you know.
Right.
It
Yeah.
always comes to this
In
guy.
dispatch.
Yeah, there you go.
In dispatch. That's right.
I
So,
think I think AI can handle dispatch, but there's room for people still.
all right. Just another area and another company to keep an eye on. And we'll come back and revisit this here before too awful long. So Brian, let's leave it there for now. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. And we'll look forward to catching up with you again. Until then, I'm Mike Flaherty.
Thanks, Mike.